Hello friends, in this lecture we will explore HTML tables. It's a traditional practice to display information using tables in web pages. Now in this lecture we will see how to use HTML tables. So first of all, let's go to File, save it as HTML tables. Let's save it and we will delete everything inside body. Now here it is. So first, using h1 we will give the header and we will write, say, some information. Let's save it. Now come to new line and here we will start our table. So the first tag that you need to give, that is table. Now provide here style of width, that is 100%. Now inside table, first we will be having row and inside row we'll be having columns. So first table, inside table row, and inside row columns. Now how you can define row? You can define row using the tr tag, and inside tr you will be having columns. Each column can be specified by using the keyword td or th. td for normal columns and th for table header. So let's first write th, and here let's write say name. Save it. Another th, this time say phone number. Save it. Let's copy this, press Ctrl C and paste it. Here we'll be having td. So the first one is for the table header. The first row is for table header. Now td, and always ending tag will be the same only as the initial tag. td, closing tag td, and here name say John, and phone number say any number 6789012, any number. Now let's save it. Now take a look using our browser, which is Firefox. Here it is. This is the table. Now you can't understand anything because we have no border. So let's provide border. Table border 1 pixel solid #333. Here is the border. And also you can provide border in td and th. So you need to provide the same style in all the th and tds. Now I will introduce you to internal style, which can be given inside head. And how you can provide internal style? You need to provide style. No need to write this one now. Just style. So make it simple. And inside, let's target table th and td. And provide border 1 pixel solid #000. 000 is for black. Now no need to provide this inline style. So let's delete it. So how we have provided internal style? First we are writing here the keywords, I mean the targeted tags. So table th and td, and we have commas in between them. So table comma th comma td, then bracket, and we are providing the style here, border 1 pixel solid hash 000. Now let's save it and refresh. See here, name, phone number John, and the phone number itself. So this is the table header, these two, and this is the information. You can even copy this one, press Ctrl C and paste it 2 to 3 more times. You can change the informations and just hit refresh, and here will be say John, Alex, then Rob, some different name and also the phone number. Now there are few stuffs that I want to show you. One, border spacing. So now we will only target table and we will write here border spacing 20 pixel. Save it, hit refresh. See, we have now space around TDs. Another thing is that let's provide a padding here. Previously also we have come across this style, this padding style. This is internal spacing, I have told you, right? Now in our CSS section we will explore this in much detail, but for now just see and understand using example. So let's give padding 20 pixel. Let's save it and hit refresh. Now change the border spacing to 5 pixel. Okay, now let's save it and hit refresh. Here it is. Now you may think that it's looking kind of weird because here we are having border, here we are having border around each TD or each TH. So you may find it a little bit weird. So one thing you can do, that is border collapse. So let's write here border collapse and write here collapse. Now save it, come here, hit refresh. See, now we are having only single border all around. Now there is another thing that I want to introduce you to, that is row span and column span. This is the phone number. Let's introduce you to an attribute, that is call span. Make it 2. Press Ctrl S to save it. Here inside this tr, let's copy this phone number, paste it and write here some different number, say 876 something else. Let's save it and hit refresh. See, this is the column span 2. In similar fashion you can use row span 2. Say for example you may have 2 addresses. So table header will be here, say address, and you can have the first address here and the second address here. Just like this you can use row span. Column span for horizontal expansion, row span for vertical expansion. I think the concept is clear for you, isn't it? If not, let me know. So what we have learnt in this lecture? It is a traditional practice to use tables to display some information. And how we can do that? First you need to write the table keyword, then inside table we have table row, and inside the first will be header, table header for the first row, and from the next rows we'll be having columns, and that is mentioned inside TD. And also we have seen that we can give border to our table elements. So table comma th comma td, and you can provide styles. Like as we have seen that first we have provided border, then it was looking kind of weird, so that's why we have introduced a new style, that is border collapse. And also for spacing we have introduced border spacing and also padding. So these are some styles that are necessary sometimes in tables. So I think now you can create awesome tables in HTML, isn't it? So that's it, friends. Here I conclude this lecture. See you in the next lecture. Till then, have fun. Take care.